Today we will learn the topic of trigonometry, and as all of us are not so familiar with this topic, let me give a quick introduction to it. So trigonometry deals with the relation between angle and sides of triangle, generally the right angle triangle. Also it deals with the angles and radius segments within the circle. So for now we will only study trigonometry in right angle triangles. So it is very applicative subjects. It has many applications like in measuring the heights and depths of very huge sea tides and height of mountain trees. Also it is used in navigation in sea, also in computer graphics, video games, and so on. There are endless number of applications and we are going to study some of them. So first, without wasting much time, we will quickly revise the last standards trigonometry. So the ratios of sine, cos, tan, and trigonometric identities and some relations of angles. So see this right angle triangle, triangle ABC. So sine theta is given by opposite side upon hypotenuse, so AB upon AC. Then cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, so BC upon AC, and tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, so AB upon BC. Now this is, you may have ignored it, but it is very obvious relation. Sin theta is cos of 90 minus theta and cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Now there is one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is very interesting identity. And so for now we will study three more ratios, which are cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. So cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta will be cos theta upon sin theta. Now cos theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side, then sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. So here is one right angle triangle, triangle ABC, and if sin theta is 3 upon 5, then find all the remaining ratios. So we will solve this problem. So sin theta is given, so we will use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So by putting the values, we get cos square theta is 16 upon 25, so cos theta is 4 upon 5. Now tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, so by putting the values, 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5, so denominator is same, so it gets cancelled, so 3 upon 4 is tan theta. Now cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, so it will be 4 upon 3. Similarly, cosec theta reciprocal of sin theta, so 5 by 3, and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so it will be 5 upon 4. There is one alternative method to solve this. We will also see sin theta is AB upon AC. See in this diagram, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. So sin theta is given is 3 upon 5. So AB and AC are 3k and 5k respectively, where k is proportionality constant. We have taken here k because 3 by 5 is ratio, so AB and AC are not directly 3 and 5. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Then by putting the values and solving this, we get BC equal to 4k. So now cos theta is BC upon AC, so 4k upon 5k, which is 4 by 5. So tan theta AB upon BC 3 upon 4. Cosec theta will be reciprocal of sin theta, which is 5 upon 3, and sec theta reciprocal of cos theta, like above, 5 by 4, and cot theta is 4 upon 3. So this is the alternative method. This method is also you have seen in last standard. Now relation between these ratios. So as cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, the product of both sin theta and cosec theta will be 1. Similarly, product of sec theta and cos theta is 1, and product of tan theta and cot theta will be also 1. Now, three basic identities of trigonometry which are very important. First one, you already know, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. And third, 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So, now one example based on these identities. If 5 sin theta equal 12 cos theta, then find the value of all the trigonometric ratios. So 5 sin theta is 12 cos theta. So 5 upon 12 is cos theta upon sin theta. Then as cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta, we get the value of cot theta 5 upon 12. As cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, we get value of tan theta as 12 by 5. Then now using the second identity, as we know what is tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So by putting the values, we get 1 plus 12 by 5 square equal to sec square theta. Now by solving this, we get sec theta as 13 by 5. So at sec theta is 13 by 5, cos theta will be 5 by 13. Now remaining two ratios are sin theta and cosec theta. So to find sin theta and cosec theta, we will make use of third identity which involves cosec square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So 1 plus 5 by 12 square equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus 25 by 144. So by solving this, we get 13 upon 12 is cosec theta, and by taking reciprocal, we get sin theta 12 upon 13. Now, so trigonometric ratios for some angles, as you have studied the trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta and tan theta for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. There are three more ratios to complete the table. So now sin theta, cos theta, tan, cosec, sec, cot, all the ratios. Now I will show you how I write this table. So first, for the values of sin theta, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide all the terms by 4 and take their square root. So here 0 upon 4 is 0 and 0 square root is 0. 1 upon 4 square root is 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 square root is 1 upon root 2. Here square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. And here 4 upon 4 is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. So this is how you get the values of sin theta. To write the values of cos theta, write these values in this order, reverse order. So cos theta, so cos 0 is 1, then this value is root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. See here. So here I will write the values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So in the reverse order, these values 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now for tan theta is simply sin theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1, 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 3. Here 1, then root 3 and 1 upon 0. It is also written as infinity, which is not defined. Now for cosec theta, all of us are now know that cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So take the reciprocal of values of sin theta. So the reciprocal of 0 not defined. Now reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. Here root 2. Here 2 by root 3 and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now for sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. For cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta. So not defined, because reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Then root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0, because reciprocal of 1 upon 0 is 0 upon 1, which is 0. So you have to memorize this table. So try to complete it without taking any help. So for today we saw trigonometric ratios. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. And three basic identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then 1 plus tan square theta equal to cosec sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So depending on these, you can solve the problems of trigonometry's first exercise. So keep trying, and thank you for watching this video.